Hello and welcome to another update video about Link. Yeah, on the Link chart, the price has also started to react a little bit. I have added back in the previously discussed scenario, which is now highlighted in orange. We talked about it until I think, well, earlier this week, and I did remove it from the chart here. That this here could be an internal wave 4 pullback with one more high to come. Because the price broke below the 61.8 retracement, which was at around, I think, $14. Now I just need to, it was measured like that. Yeah, no, it was this. Okay. So around about 1450 was support. And I might have removed it a little bit too early from the chart. Oh no, hold on. Was correct as I did it. I just forgot to add the 61.8 fib level. Yeah, okay, it was around 1450. But anyway, what I want to show you, we had a support, we had a break of support, but it immediately recovered. So I think when it broke below around about $14.50, $14, I removed that scenario from the chart, highlighted it's not invalid, but it is becoming less likely. It goes back in line, well, to the back of the line, but should we see any evidence that suggests it makes a comeback, we have to introduce it again. And that's what I'm doing. Not high confidence because of the depth of this wave 4, but still, it is a scenario I'm watching. I want to keep them all on the chart for now, which makes this chart quite messy. The problem is, this pullback is too deep for a wave 4. It is valid, though, and it is not deep enough for the yellow or the white scenario. So, I mean, you know, other things could play out here, but for now, I will go with this, and we'll see if the price can hold this week's low, and then the price should, in the next move up, reach $38, maybe even 55. But to be honest, 55 would be a bit long for a fifth wave. So 38, if it goes above it, we'll have to see how the structure now develops over the coming days. I mean, either way, I haven't, as you know, I haven't given up on the bullish case for Link. Support here is still holding. Yep, we haven't reached it because while the previous one broke, it was not a sustained break. So clearly the price, has not yet made use of this lower support area between $10.70 and $6.91. Just wanted to make this video to explain that we could still be in this previous scenario. Yeah. Now let's take a look also at the smaller time frame. I haven't really changed anything on the smaller time frame, but you might remember yesterday we identified a descending wedge pattern, and I explained that it does look a little bit as if, you know, that there could be an upside surprise just based on how the price was moving, because it was all corrective. It seemed as if the price was coiling up for something, and it was this upside breakout. I mean, it's a wedge pattern, a descending wedge. These tend to break to the upside. Structurally, on the micro level, you know, this here could still take the price down lower eventually. We have only a 3-wave move up from the low, and this is really what I want to see to confirm that a more substantial low formed as per this orange count I just showed you. I need to see a 5-wave move up at this stage. We only have 3. Okay, I need to see 5, and ideally a break above this signal line, the green line, which is located at $19.77. Why is that level important? Because if we're really in an ending diagonal to the downside, then this move up here will be invalidated. Well, this structure will be invalidated with a break above the wave 2 high at 1977. So for now, I think situation here on the Link chart is quite fluid because I'm introducing the orange count again. We only have 3 waves up, however, so it could easily still break down. So we have to be flexible and watch the microstructure very closely. I think probably tomorrow we should get some clarity. Not much more to say, however. That gives you an idea of the relevant support levels. It gives you a good idea of the relevant resistance levels, structures, and upside targets. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.